Morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 5 English language teacher. In the last class, we were reading about Nelson Mandela and we studied about his early life, that he was born in South Africa and his father was the chief of the city of Mawezo, and he was the person who lived during the time of apartheid. And then I explained to you about apartheid. Apartheid was a system, a very cruel system of government, in which the minority white population was given the rights only for everything, for going to school, for getting the best jobs, and the black people were deprived of all of their rights. And so Nelson Mandela was the one who rose against that system of government, and he rose against the apartheid, and he wanted the equal rights in South Africa of the blacks and the whites. So in that crime, he was considered a terrorist and he was given prison in 1962. Now, he was arrested for 27 years of long imprisonment, and but he did not he did not turn back. He was always trying to complete his campaign of getting the black people to get their rights and equal rights of all people in South Africa. He was released in 1990, and he was also awarded the Nobel Prize in 1991. 93, sorry. And after his release, he also continued his campaign of ending the apartheid, and he was successful in that. And in 1994, he became the he became the first black president of the country of South Africa. And after becoming the president, he did not try to take revenge from the white people, but he was so nice that he asked that all South Africans, including the blacks and the whites, will work together in peace, and that's why everyone was loving him. And he died at the age of 95 on 5th December 2013. In this reference, he has given two famous quotes of Nelson Mandela, that as I walked out the door towards the gate that would lead to my freedom, I knew I didn't leave my bitterness and hatred behind. I'll still be in prison. So he gave us the message of love and unity, and he said that if he was still bitter or had hatred for the white people, he would have remained in the prison. Another his quote is on education, and that is that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. And yes, he did change the world. In this reference, I have given to write about his two quotes. You will write these two quotes very nicely in a very nice writing. You can write with colors also, and then you will after writing it on one page, then you will explain both the quotes, that what do you understand and what do you mean by these quotes. Then I have discussed question number 10, and that is no, we also discussed in the class that why is question number 5, that why is Mandela one of the most admired men in the history? Because he was a very peaceful person and he worked for the peace and unity of all the people of South Africa. He was admired in the history. And now then we did question number 10, that was to looking up the words in the dictionary. So I have explained you the meanings. Deprived means to take away from. Menial means not requiring much skill. Then is involved, that means engaged or get dedicated to some work. Then terrorist means the one who is using violence unlawfully. Then the word is symbol, that means a sign or mark. Then number 6 is resistance, that means refusal to accept. No, we are not accepting something. Campaign is when we are working actively for getting a goal. And inaugural, the last word, means the beginning of. You must have heard it that when some hospital is starting, we have the inauguration meeting. So this is the same. That's the making the beginning of. I have given you the meanings of these words, but in the WhatsApp group. But you have to make the sentences of these words from 1 till 8 after understanding their meanings. On the next page, first page, you will write the word meanings, and on the next page, you will be writing the making the sentences of these words. And the another homework is writing the two quotes and explaining the quotes in your own words. It can be 1 or 2 lines, that's enough. So this is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.